Hi, welcome to Mrs. Belden's class. Today we'll start with introducing myself, and then we will go into the expectations and some information that you'll need to begin my class for this school year. A little bit about me, my education. I graduated from Augusta University. I also attended Georgia Southern University and the University of Georgia. I'm finishing up my master's in education and instruction, and then I will be applying for my doctorate this fall. In the middle, you can see my husband, Daniel Belden. He is a nurse at University Hospital. He's been working on the COVID unit very hard, and I'm very, very proud of him and all of the hard work that the nurses have had to go through this past year. The third photo, you can see my pets, Penny and Harley. Those two are very special in my life. And this is my family, so you can see a little bit behind the scenes of my teacher life. Starting with the expectations that we have at our school, this is our assessment policy. We give formative assessments and summative assessments. Formative is just a fancy word for quiz, because we are formatively assessing you to see what you know, to give you feedback so that you can be prepared for the summative assessment. A summative assessment is the equivalent of a test, a large test that has several standards that you need to master, and that's when we can also give you an opportunity to take a reassessment if you're not happy with your grade. Please pay attention to the reassessment policy. It says summatives may be reassessed one time after reteaching. So reteaching means you come in and we work on those skills that maybe weren't so strong, and then you get another opportunity to take your summative assessment. If your summative assessment grades are higher than the coordinating formative grade, then you can replace a formative grade with the higher summative grade, and that goes for any pair of formative and summatives together. Have my email available for you. If you ever have a question, I am extremely quick to responding via email, so please use alexandra.belden@ccboe.net if you have any questions, any concerns. No question is too small. Please don't be afraid to reach out to me, and I'm happy to help you. Also, a good resource for information is my website, which can be found on the Stallings Island Middle School webpage, or you can use this link here. And if you click on the SI, it'll take you directly to my website, which will have reminders, resources, and things that you might need for the week. I'm excited for this school year, and it's a strange time, but we are ready for you and we're excited to get started. Thank you.